Typewriter Arts started when a friend found an old manual typewriter on a curb and gave it to me, and something kind of magical happened. My name is Amy Probst, and I type live poetry on a manual typewriter in one draft with no backspace or correction. My poems are really personal. That's what's special to me, and I think that's what makes them special to their recipients. I talk to a person for a couple minutes and get a sense of who they are, what's important to them, what's on their mind, if there's something in particular they'd like the poem to be about or someone who it will be for. And then I just go live. It usually takes around 10 or 15 minutes. Creating live poems for people, it's capturing the life in a moment.